If you want to be a data analyst, you need to know how to use a union in SQL, and after this practice problem, you will. Our prompt is, combine these two tables so the output has all the animals, regions, and average weights from both tables in a single output. Remove any duplicates if there are any and order by animal name alphabetically. Let's come down here and check our data. If we hit preview, we can see this animals secondary table has animal, region, and average weight. And then if we scroll down here a little bit more, we will find this animals main table, which has the same exact information. Our prompt wants us to include animals, regions, and average weights from both tables, so we are going to start out with two queries pulling animal, region, and average weight from animals main, and then we're going to do the exact same thing but pulling from animals secondary. Now to combine all of this data into one singular table, all we have to do is add union right here in the middle. For anybody that doesn't know, unions are used to combine data from multiple tables, but they're different than joins. Generally, joins are used to pull different columns from different tables, so maybe you would pull order data from an orders table, and then you would pull employees data from an employee table. But a union is used to pull the same columns from multiple tables and basically stack the rows on top of each other to create one big table. As you study SQL, you'll also learn about the union all, so it's important to note the difference between union and union all. A union all will pull all of the rows of each table regardless of if there are any duplicate rows or not, whereas a union will go ahead and delete any duplicate rows and not include that in the output. And according to our prompt, we want to remove any duplicates if there are any, so that's why we're going to use the union. And the last thing we want to do is order by animal name alphabetically, so we will order by animal and include the semicolon, come up here and run our code. And now if we scroll down, we will be able to see that we have the rows from both tables included in this one output. Let's come up here and check our answer. And yay, we did it! If you want to do some practice problems on your own, I did this one with Analyst Builder. Some of the questions are free, some of the questions aren't. Be sure to use code Elijah25 to get 25% off any courses or bundles.